In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment on a ClickUp task. ClickUp is a powerful productivity platform that helps teams organize work, stay aligned, and keep conversations tied to the tasks that matter. Commenting directly on a task is one of the simplest and most effective ways to clarify what needs to happen next, set expectations, and track progress without cluttering up email threads or chat channels. I'll walk you through the process from opening ClickUp to posting your comment, and I'll share practical tips along the way so you feel confident and efficient. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to make your message clear so your team can move forward without confusion. Let's start by getting to ClickUp. Open your preferred web browser and head to the ClickUp website. If you're already signed in, you'll land right in your workspace. If not, look for the login button, usually in the top right corner of the page. Clicking that will bring you to the login screen. If your ClickUp is connected to your Google account, you'll see an option to sign in with Google. That's a quick, secure way to get in without typing a password. Just choose the Google account that's linked to your ClickUp workspace. If you don't use Google Sign-In, enter your usual email and password to log in. If you ever run into a roadblock here, such as a forgotten password, use the recovery link and follow the prompts. Once you're in, you'll be taken into your workspace environment where your teams, spaces, projects, and tasks live. Keep in mind, everything we're doing today can be done in the browser or the desktop app, and the flow is nearly identical. Use whichever environment you're most comfortable with. After logging in, make sure you're in the correct workspace. Many people are part of more than one workspace, such as a company workspace and a personal workspace, or multiple client workspaces. You'll usually find the workspace selector near the top of the interface, or in a sidebar menu. Confirm you've selected the workspace where the task you want to comment on actually resides. This is important because ClickUp's navigation and items displayed are specific to the workspace you're currently viewing. If you pick the wrong one, you may not see the list or task you expect, which can be confusing. A quick double check saves time. If you see the right spaces, teams, or folders, you're good to go. Think of your workspace as the top-level container for everything you're about to access. With the right one selected, you're ready to find the task that needs your comment. Next, navigate to your lists. In ClickUp, tasks live in lists, and lists are usually organized under folders or spaces depending on how your team set things up. If you have a view or a sidebar that shows all your lists, open that so you can quickly browse. You might also use search if you already know the task name. But since this walkthrough follows the list-first approach, we'll stay on that path. Opening your lists makes it easier to scan projects visually, spot the right category, and drill into where the task is located. This way, you're not hunting around randomly. You're purposefully moving through the structure that your team uses daily. If your team names lists by department, project name, or sprint cycle, navigate according to that naming convention. Your goal here is to land in the exact list that contains the task needing your input. Now click the relevant list. This could be a list for a specific project, a personal to-do list, or a list that groups tasks by client, sprint, or theme. For example, if you keep personal action items in a personal list, click that to open it. As soon as you do, ClickUp will begin loading the tasks within that list. Depending on the size of the list and your connection speed, this can take a moment. Be patient and let the data load completely so that filters, statuses, and task previews display correctly. If the view looks empty at first, check whether there's an active filter that's hiding completed or low priority tasks. Clearing a filter can reveal tasks you haven't seen yet. Also, if your list has multiple views, like list, board, or calendar, make sure you're in the view that makes it easy to scan task names. For locating a specific task quickly, the list view is often the most straightforward. Once your tasks have loaded, you're ready to move to the next phase. Opening the specific task where you'll leave your comment. Scan the task titles and find the one that needs your input. If you're skimming a long list, you can use the search within the list if it's available, or sort by status, assignee, or due date to bring likely candidates to the top. When you've found the task, click its title to open the task details panel. This will usually slide in from the right or open in a modal window, depending on your settings and screen size. You'll see key task information such as description, status, assignees, due dates, subtasks, attachments, and, critically for today, the comments area. If your team uses custom fields, those will appear here too. Take a second to orient yourself in the task view so you can be sure you're commenting in the right place and about the right item. Context matters when you're communicating with a team. Let the task page finish loading so everything is interactive. When the task is fully ready, you'll be able to enter your message without any lag or missing elements. If your connection is